Hey y'all, it's Mike, back here in the Nerd Cave, and today I want to show everyone how to do this. Giving your TV some nice bias backlighting. So today we're going to be using this kit I picked up for about $5. The first thing you want to do is get them unboxed and tested. Since they are USB powered, I'm just going to use this power bank here to test them out pretty quickly. Nice. Now that we know everything is working, let's get them hooked up to the TV. First thing you want to do is locate the USB ports on the back of your television if this is how you're going to power them. Then you want to start on that edge of the TV with the end of the LED strip that is going to need power. Start by peeling off the 3M adhesive protective layer and begin to stick them to the TV. You might want to also measure it out to make sure it'll fit the whole way around the TV. I was a little too close to the sides with this kit. It's supposed to be good for a 65-inch TV, and as you can see, it barely made it all the way around my 55-inch TV. And there it is. Now that it's all set up, I wanted to discuss some of the benefits besides just the cool factor. For me, the biggest benefit is with immersion. For one, it can make the screen feel a bit bigger and almost borderless at times when watching movies, especially in a dark room. But it'll also help with the contrast on the screen. When there's dark scenes, any backlight bleed that would usually be jarring becomes much less noticeable. Watching an LG video here that's meant to show off the black levels of an OLED TV, you can see what I mean. Another reason to add these to a TV or even a monitor is for your eyes. Having a slight light source coming from behind your screen will make the sharp change between dark and bright scenes less jarring, preventing headaches and eye strain over long Netflix, work, or gaming sessions. Overall, for $5, I would definitely say give it a shot if you've been looking for ways to enhance your entertainment setup, even if you're just trying to go for a cool looking aesthetic, even when you're not watching TV. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more Nerd Cave content, and I'll see you in the next one.